Let us see the next item, okay, next formula, and this is pretty interesting. Okay, so this is your substitute function. Okay, so earlier in the replace we had to specify the number of characters. Okay, and the number of characters you have to specify, and you have to count, you have to do more manipulation. Now this is a better thing. It will substitute, okay, one string with the other. So what it says is, okay, the argument, if you see, substitute the text, what the text you want to what is the text that you want to manipulate, the old text, okay, the new text that you want, okay, and where you start. So what they are saying is text, the text you want to manipulate, the old text is the text you want to replace, new text is what you want to replace with. Instance num is the number of times, okay, the number of times you would want to do. So what they are saying is which occurrence of old text you want to replace. Okay, if you specify instance num, only that instance is replaced, otherwise every occurrence will be replaced, right? So here this is an optional thing. So if you do not specify, everything will be replaced, right? So just as an example, so what we have is ratan.gupta@gmail.com. What I want is, instead of ratan.gupta, I want ratan.tata@gmail.com. Okay, so I want to replace this Gupta with Tata, right? How it can be done, right? So it could be done with the replace function also, but with substitute function it is much simpler. So let us see how you can do. So what we want is, I want to use the substitute function. This is the text I want to work, and what is the old text I want? Old text is Gupta, okay, and the new text I have is Tata, right? And the next is optional. If I do, what you see is Gupta is replaced with Tata. So if you see, Gupta is gone and Tata has come. This is how you do. Okay. Now suppose, let's say over here we have gmail.com, and then I have Gupta over here again, okay, right? Now if you see over here, that Gupta is also replaced with Tata. Right? So let's say, suppose I have, instead of this, I talk about this ratan.gupta.tata, right? So what you have is ratan.tata.tata has come. I want this Gupta, the first Gupta, to be replaced, but not the, sorry, ratan.gupta.gupta, right? So if you see that, you get ratan.tata.tata. I want the first Gupta to be replaced, but not the second Gupta. So what I want is, I want the outcome is ratan.tata.gupta. How I get it? So what you have to do is, you have to specify here the 1. If you see 1 over here, you see that it has changed the first instance, okay, and it remained, this Gupta remained as Gupta, right? If you specify over here second, let's see. So what has happened is, it has said that you are saying that you want to replace the second instance. So Gupta has become Tata, this remained as Gupta, right? So this instance num is not the number of time, it is the which one you want to replace, okay, right? So this is the idea, right? So let us make it the original only. Okay, now let us see what will happen, right? So here what you see, if I make it ratan.gupta@gmail.com, and here I have specified as 2, you see the same string, ratan.gupta, because there is no second instance of Gupta has been seen, okay, so that's why you have the same item. So if I make it this 1, it will come, right? So this is the idea. Now these are all your complex things. So what I want is, this Christ University, Bangalore, India, okay, I want to make it Christ University, Kengeri, India. I want to substitute Bangalore with Kengeri, okay, very simple, right? Similarly, instead of Bangalore, I want this Lavasa to come. So I want Christ University, Bangalore, India to Christ University, Lavasa, India. The third one I want is Christ University, Bangalore, okay, and this India to go. So remove this India, I want this, right? So these are the manipulations that you have to use the substitute function to do, okay. That is your part of the homework.